Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate the Salesforce interface to set up token from key and secret for connected app settings. Let's get into it. First, open Advanced Setup. The journey starts by leaving the end user view and entering the administrative backbone of your org. From your home screen, click the gear icon in the top right corner. Select Setup, often referred to as Advanced Setup. This opens the management console where you can configure everything from users to complex API integrations. Next, create a new app in App Manager. The App Manager is your central hub for organizing the user experience. This is where you decide which tabs and tools your team can see. In the Quick Find box on the left, type App Manager and select it. Click New Lightning App in the top right. As you go through the wizard, you'll define the app details, name and logo, app options, navigation style, and utility items, like a persistent phone bar. Finally, you'll choose which navigation items, tabs like Accounts or Analytics, are included and which user profiles can access the app. Lastly, access API and integration settings. While the App Manager handles the visual experience, the Integrations menu handles how Salesforce talks to other software. Clear your search and type API in the Quick Find box, then look under the Integrations heading. What's inside? Here you'll find critical developer tools, such as WSDL downloads. These files allow external systems to understand the structure of your Salesforce data for SOAP integrations, and managed certificates for secure encrypted communication between servers. Note for 2026, Salesforce is transitioning to external client apps. If you are building a new integration, you'll likely use the New section to generate the consumer key and secret needed for your API access tokens. And that's pretty much it. To manage your org in 2026, use the gear icon to reach Setup. Use the App Manager to build a better experience for your human users, and head to the Integrations API section to gather the technical credentials your external applications need to sync data. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.